Do you know why some people snore while sleeping? Normally, when we breathe, air enters through the nose or mouth, passes through the throat, and then travels down the windpipe into the lungs. When we are awake, all the muscles in our body are fully active, and none of them are in a relaxed state. But when we fall asleep, our muscles relax, including the muscles of the throat. Because of this relaxation, the airway through which air passes becomes slightly narrower. Now, when air flows through this narrowed passage, pressure is created. Due to this pressure, the relaxed muscles begin to vibrate. This vibration produces the sound that we call snoring.